If you want to find and manage sound settings on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we just have to open settings on our phone, and then you can scroll down a little bit in order to go to sound and vibration. And then in here you can find pretty much all of the sound settings. For example, we have the volume sliders for media, ringtone, notification, and alarm. We have the media output selection. We have, for example, vibration settings in here as well. We can choose sounds like the ringtone, notification, and alarm sound. And there are also some additional features for sound like the live caption, media player, and also for the 4a Pro model, there is also the spatial audio feature that we can toggle. Besides that, we can find some system sounds that we can toggle quite easily, and that is pretty much it. Actually, no, there's one more thing, and that is the sound selection. So if we go to the control center or quick settings, then over here we can choose between the sound mode or ring mode. There is also the vibrate mode and the silent mode or mute mode. So that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.